Integrals of some particular functions. Type 1. Integration dx upon x square plus a square equals 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Let's see some questions. Question number 1. Integration 3x square dx divided by x power 6 plus 1. Let x cube equal to t, 3x square dx equal to dt. It will become dt upon t square plus 1 or dt upon t square plus 1 square. It is of this form where a equal to 1. So answer will be 1 upon 1. So we should not write it. For formality, I have written tan inverse x. Here in place of x there is t. So t upon 1 plus c. That is tan inverse t. T means x cube plus c. Let's see next question. Question number 2. Integration 3x dx divided by 1 plus 2x power 4. Let root 2 x square equal to t. So if we differentiate root 2 times 2x dx equal to dt. So we have 3x dx. So we should try to find out x dx from here. X dx will be 1 upon 2 root 2 dt. So it will become 3 upon 2 root 2 integration dt upon 1 plus t square. This is of the form x square plus a square or a square plus x square, where a equal to 1. So same formula is valid as I told you, that integration dx upon x square plus a square equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So this will become 3 upon 2 root 2 times tan inverse t plus c, but t equal to root 2x square. So 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2x square plus c. Let's see next question. Question number 3. Integration dx upon x square plus 2x plus 2. It will be written as dx upon x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. Further equal to dx upon x plus 1 whole square plus 1. Let x plus 1 equal to t, which gives dx equal to dt. It will become integration dt upon t square plus 1, which will be equal to 1 upon 1, 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So that's like tan inverse t plus c, which will be equal to tan inverse t. T means x plus 1 plus c. Now let's consider next type, integration. This is type 2. Integration dx divided by root of a square minus x square gives sine inverse x upon a plus c. Let's see some questions. Question number 1. Integration dx divided by root of 2x minus x square. So this will become integration dx divided by root of, if we write minus sign common, then x square minus 2x, and then we can add plus 1 to make it perfect square, and then minus 1. So it would become integration dx divided by root of minus x square minus 2x plus 1. And if we write this minus 1 outside the bracket, then it will become plus 1, which is further equal to dx divided by 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1. This can be written as integration dx divided by root of 1 minus x minus 1 square. Let x minus 1 equal to t, so that will give dx equal to dt. So our question will become dt upon root of 1 minus t square. And this is of this form where a is 1. So this will become sine inverse t upon 1, that is sine inverse t plus c. So sine inverse x minus 1 plus c. Let's see next question. Question number 2. Integration dx upon root of 9 minus 25 x squared. Let 5x equal to t. From where we get x or 5 dx equal to dt. We have only dx, so dx will be 1 by 5 dt. So our question becomes 1 upon 5 dt upon root of 3 square minus t square, which are the form dx upon root of a square minus x square. That gives sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this will become 1 upon 5 times sine inverse, here x is t divided by 3 plus c, which is equal to 1 upon 5 sine inverse. In place of t, we write 5x divided by plus c. Let's go to next question. Question number 3. Integration dx divided by 7 minus 6x minus x squared under root. So this can be written as integration dx divided by root of 7 minus inside brackets 6x plus x squared. Let's make it perfect square. So for that we write dx divided by root of 7 minus 6x plus x squared plus 9, and since there is minus 9, then outside we have to write plus 9. So this will become integration. This becomes integration dx divided by root of, here 7 and 9 will become 16 minus, this will become 3, this is x square plus 6x plus 9, so it will become x plus 3 whole square. Let x plus 3 equals t, from where we get dx equal to, so integration dt upon root of 4 square minus t square, and that is our form dx upon root of a square minus x square. That gives sine inverse t upon 4 plus c, or sine inverse t means x plus 3 upon 4 plus c. Let's see next question. Question number 4. Question 4 says integration x plus 2 dx divided by root of 4x minus x square. So we can write it x upon root of 4x, here 4x minus x square. Here we write it like my x minus 2 plus 4. So it will be helpful because when we put 4x minus x square equal to t, we will get this as differentiation. So we write it like x minus 2 divided by, here we put x, divided by root of 4x minus x square, and then 4 integration dx divided by 4x minus x square. Now, for this, let 4x minus x square equal to t. So 4 minus 2x dx equal to t. We have x minus 2. It means if we take minus 2 outside, then we will get minus 2 plus x dx equal to dt. So x minus 2 dx equal to minus half dt. So we are considering first part. We will do this after. So this will become, suppose this is equal to I1 plus I2. So we are taking I1. So this will become integration. So I1 equal to integration minus half, which will become 4, minus half integration dt divided by root t, which is equal to minus half t power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1, because this will be t power minus half, and then integration of x power n is x power n is 1 divided by n plus 1. So this will give minus 1 by 2 t power half divided by half. So 2 will cancel out, and we will get as minus t power half. T power half is root t, and we can put the value of t as 4x minus x square. 4x minus x square. So we have got first part. So first part has become I1 equal to, we have got minus 4x minus x square under root. Now we have to consider I2, and our I2 is this much. For that, we write, so I2 equal to 4 times integration dx upon 4x minus x square under root. Now let's proceed by making it perfect square. So it will be equal to 4 times integration dx divided by root of, if we take minus sign outside, then 4x will become negative, and x square will become positive. So it's better to write x square minus 4x. And to make it perfect square, half of 4 is read with squared, so it will become 4, and then we subtract the same number. So it will become 4 times integration dx divided by root of. Here, if we take these two numbers, these three terms together, and this we can put outside the bracket because of this minus sign, this will become plus 4. So we can say 4 and minus this thing x minus 2 whole square. Now let x minus 2 equal to t, dx equal to dt. So we will get 4 times integration dt divided by root of 4 means 2 square minus t square, and it is of the form integration dx upon root of a square minus x square, that gives sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this will become 4 times sine inverse x, x means t, upon 2 plus c, which is equal to 4 sine inverse, and we have taken x minus 2 as t. So x minus 2 divided by 2 plus c, which is our answer. Thank you for watching.